Hi children, it's Tuesday. So yesterday you chose your noisy story and you collected all the sounds you heard. So this was my version of all the sounds that I heard when I was playing Tidy Up the Classroom at Tidy Up Time. So today I'm going to take that and I'm going to start playing around and see if I can put my poem together. Now I'm going to show you when I first started my poem. Now, if you have a look at it, you can see that it's all scribbled out and crossed out, and there's bits of writing going up around the paper, because at this point, I was really thinking it through and changing it. And I wanted to show you this because I think sometimes you children think that everything's perfect the first time you get it down on paper. And as you can see here, this is not perfect. I've got spelling mistakes, I've got things that I didn't like, words that I didn't use, I've changed around, I've crossed it out. And that is the point of poetry. It's not going to come out your mouth and straight on a piece of paper. So you're going to have a go and you're going to have a change. Now I want you to notice that I've organised it. I haven't written it in a continuous line across the page, have I? So I came up with the idea that we would have tidy up time, tidy up now as a sort of little repeating pattern. So if you look, you can see it 3 times. I use the mouse, you can see it. So it's tidy up time, tidy up now. Then it comes here again, tidy up time, tidy up now. And then it comes down here, tidy up time, tidy up now. Now, do you remember Michael Rosen said that when we're reading this out, we need to make sure that we really change the way that we say it. So in between all of these little repeats, I've got the sounds that I might hear. So I've got scratch, bang, clatter, yak, yak, natter. And if you can see here, I had yak, yak, chat, chat, natter, natter, natter. And I actually changed the rhythm of that because I wanted to make it match the other ones when I started writing them. So as I worked through my poem, I changed it. So we had tidy up time, tidy up now, scratch, bang, clatter, yak, yak, natter, tidy up time, tidy up now. Bang, rattle, boom, why are you leaving the room? So I wanted scratch, bang, clatter, yak, yak, natter, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beats there really, or 7 sort of syllables. Scratch, bang, clatter, actually that's 4, yak, yak, natter. So actually, I think it's 8. Mrs. Marshall can't count today. So I wanted to hit and match that to this bit here. And you can see here I had a bit of a wriggle around with that. Then I sort of came into a second part of it that didn't match. It was like, and that's where I did a bit more rhyme as well. Did you spray your table? Have you tucked your chair? You might have lost your hairband, but I don't really care. So I was thinking about getting that care to rhyme with chair. Why is there a pencil just lying on the floor? I know that I have said this all before. Now that doesn't track quite right. It hasn't got the right rhythm. So what you will see is when I actually type it up, which you'll see later on in the next session, you'll see that I have changed it again because that's part of the process. It's all about editing and changing, and then I didn't have enough room to write this up here. So I wanted to show you that. So today is going to be a bit of a messy day as you work it out and plan it through. And sometimes you have to have words, you have to find words that rhyme a bit. So like here, I was like, I'll ask you once again. And then I was sitting there going, oh, what can rhyme with again? And then I was thinking shame, and then I came up here and said pain. So you will, if you are rhyming, you don't have to have a rhyming poem, so you can have a pattern poem, but if you are rhyming, you will have to think it through a little bit. So today is all about having a go. So good luck with that. And I like to see, I don't need to see it all beautifully written. I can see it in a right mess to show the process of what you're doing. Well done, everybody.